I just learned stuff from a crypto billionaire, Justin Sun, the man who spent 6.2 million on a banana and ate it. He made his money betting early on Bitcoin, built one of the biggest companies in crypto, and now says AI will create the next generation of billionaires. So I tracked him down in Hong Kong to understand where the real opportunity is and how AI can change everything for young people. Oh, and stick around to the end to see if he'll buy my orange for $1 million. What's your dream?
Yeah, going to the moon.
Going to the moon?
Yeah, going to the moon.
Okay, so how are you going to do that?
Yeah, I will apply for it and see if they allow me to.
I need to hear more about this. I need to know how you're going to do it. Did you actually win the bid though? Did you win the bid?
Yeah, I win the bid of Blue Origin, and I went to space actually last year in August. And now Blue Origin is fully SpaceX, both of them is fully prepared to sending people to the moon. Of course, NASA astronaut got the first chance, but I truly want to be the first one commercial astronaut to go into the moon.
I help people with their dreams.
Yeah.
Okay. So I love meeting someone that's making their dreams a reality. It's kind of mind blowing.
Yeah.
I'm helping a young man at the moment whose dream is to create a rocket ship. Can I quickly show you the video? He's going to blow your mind. Young boy dreaming of creating a rocket ship company. Have a little listen.
Yes.
My name's Louis. My dream is to start my own aerospace engineering company like SpaceX, like Blue Origin, like those companies. My dream is to commercialize space. I want to go to something called asteroid mining, or I want to commercialize supersonic and hypersonic flight.
He's 18 years old. His name's Louis.
Yes.
As a successful person, how would you advise someone like him to go about making that happen?
Yeah. So first of all, our work is intensively helping actually reduce the cost to go into the space. Yeah, of course, first of all, I'm very passionate. Like he has the plan and has the interest to go into the space. And I think for my whole life in the future, we will keep finding the way to lower the cost, and eventually everybody, if they have dream to go into the space, they can actually did it.
Wow.
Yeah.
We fund people's dreams on this platform. A lot of people are talking to us about AI.
Yes.
They're a bit scared of it. Some people are excited about it. What's your take on AI? Should we be scared? Is it something we can leverage? What do you feel?
Yes. Yeah, AI is definitely going to change our life like completely in a good way. For myself, I talk with AI. I will say today 90% of the time. So AI gave me really good advice. And I recommend you can try a platform called AI NFT. It's compiled AI. All different kind of AI is together. So on the platform, you can use all different AI. And I just use them, and I think it's very useful, especially in the people in the area outside of the United States for me. I think because before that, the world is flat, but the knowledge is not flat, right? So we still need education to educate people. But today, with AI, basically you can get lots of accurate information instantly. So that's like what I see AI is about.
Do you think AI and blockchain and crypto converging? Because people talk about them separately now.
Yes.
But do you see in the future?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm doing all the work every day. Same product like AI NFT. So we are doing all the work and combining AI with blockchain. So today you can, on our website, you can pay crypto to get AI tokens, and the service is pay as you go. You don't need to subscribe anything. It is extremely cheap. So that's why I believe blockchain is the best way for AI interaction. Blockchain actually is building the infrastructure, financial infrastructure for AI. Because I have been building the blockchain infrastructure for the last 12 years.
How old are you?
36 now.
Right, you started this very young.
Yes, yes.
How did you know? Can you see the future?
Yeah. 2022, I started to build blockchain for human.
Right.
But since the things changed dramatically after 14 years, and I started to realize, my customer gonna be AI in the future.
I'm very excited about AI because my mission, my life is to fix the education system.
Yes.
It let me down. I left school at 15. It didn't help me in the real world. AI can give personalized education to everybody.
Yes.
What's your take on education, and can we fix it? Do we need to fix it, do you think?
Yes, of course. I think AI is changing everything dramatically, to be honest. I'm really amazed by how much progress education and AI can grow like so fast today. Because, where I come from, basically what you learn and what's going to be tested is basically written down, I will say 50 years ago.
Yeah.
The knowledge is obsolete, and it's not like compatible with today's technology. And also you don't have the freedom to learn the course you want, right? Because everybody have different interests. They want to know different knowledge. But with AI today, I think pretty much can give you at least the clue of any important and any source of the information you want to get. So that's why I think with AI, the education gonna be changed, dramatically, and in a good way, because today, kids in New York probably will get same exposure of knowledge with kids born in Tanzania, as long as they all has smartphone.
The problem with AI right now is it's not free. When you go deep into AI, it costs money. So I made an AI of myself, all my knowledge into a video, because where is the knowledge coming from for AI? A lot of people ask this question, who's giving me the advice, right? So I built an AI for myself. But to provide it free, like education is free in most societies. To provide it free is very expensive.
Yes.
So how are we going to get over that, you think? Because AI is not available to everybody, right?
Yes. So first of all, as a AI NFT platform, so we give 1 million points free for everyone who is using AI. So
that costs you a lot of money. I don't think people realize. That costs you a lot to provide that.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. So so anyone in the world, if you want to enjoy and get test about AI, you just go into our website, ainft.com, and you will get 1 million free points. So you can just try it. So there's no requirements. You don't need to even sign up.
People are always skeptical. What's the catch, right? But sometimes there isn't one, right?
Yeah.
People are too skeptical, I think.
Yes. I just want more people to use AI.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's your mission.
Yes.
And then make humanity have a better existence, right?
Exactly.
If you were 18 today, you have no money. A lot of my listeners, they dream, but they don't have money, no network. What would you do?
If I do today, I will do crypto. I will invest in Bitcoin, invest my time, invest my energy into Bitcoin to build a better Bitcoin. But if without Bitcoin today, so I think I will find some place or some industry can really change people's life. For example, like space exploration, AI, and robotics development, drones and the blockchain, right? So basically those things can really change people's life.
You don't need to work. So what makes you so driven now, right? A lot of young people don't understand this nuance I want to see if you can share. You don't have to work, but you do really hard.
Yes.
Why?
The reason, first of all, I think is I find a place or an industry I want to work here, right? So that's very important. So if you don't want to work or have some like work problem, it might not be your problem. So you need to think about, is this the work I really want to do? Is this the career I really want to go? And then you make decision, right? So, but I think if you find a place really, you really want to work on this, and really you are perfecting the product or everything or services, or the technology can really benefit people in the world and change the humanity, I think it's like really great. So for myself, I do some of the innovation myself, but also I keep getting exposure on what the work other people is doing. It's really amazing.
Impact,
Yeah.
right? Motivates humans.
Exactly.
We want to help humanity be better. Some people think not working is a good idea,
Yes.
and they miss the point that we learn when we work,
Yes.
we grow when we work,
Yes.
and we feel like there's a reason to live, right?
Yes.
By doing something that helps humanity.
Exactly.
I think people don't see it.
Yeah, exactly.
The data is blowing my mind. Right now in the UK, 1.2 million kids come out of university,
Yes.
suddenly can't find a job.
Yes.
They were promised a job by university,
Yes.
no job.
Yes.
I think those people have no choice but to
Yes.
create a job for themselves and
Yes.
become entrepreneurs.
Yes.
What do you think?
Exactly. I think with the help of AI, we can solve this problem. So first of all, I think everyone, if they want to really find a job, they need to get on AI platform first. So you can genuinely ask and tell all your story, all your life story to AI. And just ask AI, like, what's your advice and what thing I should try. Most of the people, I think they don't even went through this process, most of them, they just want to get a job, right? Or government promised them a job. They just go to those jobs. But, they never ask themselves what kind of the job I want to do.
And what they like doing.
Exactly.
People don't ask themselves that, yeah.
Exactly.
How did you ask yourself this? How did you find this out back then?
Yeah, I think back then there's no AI. It's 2012. I asked myself, and I'm quite lucky because I find Bitcoin, and I think this is something I really want to do. So I went all in the Bitcoin industry. Yeah.
I asked my community. I have 21 million people following me. We get 500 million views a month. They all know you.
Yeah.
I asked them, what should I ask you? The very silly question. What was the banana like? Was it tasty? Did you eat the banana?
Yes, I eat the banana. It's very tasty. Yeah.
A lot of people ask, why did you do it? Why did you do it? What was...
Yes, it's a conceptual art.
Yeah.
Actually, the banana is gonna always be there. It's conceptual. It's not like a real banana. Over there. Yeah. But I think it's a really brilliant idea, right? So when we go to the museum, right, we just find a banana is taped to the wall with Mona Lisa, all together.
Yeah.
And actually, reminds us, that's what like the real art look like.
I have a dream orange.
Yes.
Would you like to buy it for $1 million? And I'm going to give all the money to fund people's dreams, all of it away to help people listening fund their dreams. Do you want it for $1 million?
No.
Fair enough. I tried, folks. I tried.